Hello, all my dear students. Welcome back to your online classes. This is your Tezip sir, and this is a third maths class. So, in my dear all students, again welcome back to your online classes. Now, let's time. We have to time off the what? We have to time off a revision time. What, my dear students? So now further we are going to take the other chapters revision, okay, and that all revision of SA2 exam. So after completing the measurement revision, we are going to move on chapter number 10, where we are going to do, my dear students, where we have to move. We have to move on chapter number 10 time. Okay, we are going to move on chapter number 10 time. So my dear all students, first of all, take out your book and keep it with you, all important things, your rough book, your fair book, and stationery with you, my dear all students. Keep it with you, dear all, what I am telling you, and compulsory you have to keep it with you, pencil and scale. Okay, so in last lecture, what we had completed in last lecture, we had done a measurement, revision of measurement. Means in measurement we had completed convert into the centimeter or meter and converted to the meter to centimeter. And then further, my dear all students, next topic is we have done that convert to kilometer to meter and meter to kilometer, and gram to kilogram and kilogram to gram, and liter to milliliter and milliliter to liters. Understood? So in this session, my dear students, we are going to check the concept of the time and calendar, that important topic we are going to do, and we are going to do the revise that topic. What, my dear students, in today's session we are going to do a revision of chapter number 10 time, and further topic is the calendar. Okay, so I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So before starting our session, as per regularly, I am going to present here first of all today's quote. And then after, all my dear students, after presenting, after quote, we will going to start our session. So now I am going to present here today's quote. What is the today's quote, my dear students? Today's quote is, we have to do work hard. We have to do work hard in silence. What, my dear students? We have to do work hard in silence. Let success make the noise. Understood, my dear students? Means what? We have to do work hard. Okay, and our success is make the noise. So what you to do? You have to do a work hard. Understood, all my dear students? Okay, I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. Now further, we will move on our content. So write down in your book, my dear students. Start writing all. You have to write what is a name. First of all, what is today's? You have to write first of all name of the chapter number 10 time. What you have to write, my dear students? You have to write a chapter number 10 time. And first we have to do the revision, then the calendar and revision of exercise number 10b. What we have to do here? We are going to do revision of chapter number 10 and exercise number 10b. And the one more new topic is over there, calendar also. So my dear students, I hope you all are writing. Start writing, my dear all students. First of all, what you have to write? You have to write the name of chapter number 10. And then after, my dear students, you have to write the new topic calendar. And then further here is revision of exercise number 10b. Revision of exercise number 10b. Got my points, all of you? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So you have to note down the all things there in your book. Okay, so now let's check the further, my dear students. This is a calendar. This is a calendar. Understood all? This is what, my dear students? This is a calendar. Okay, this is a calendar. And what is that present? The tells about the days, weeks, months of the year. Okay, calendar is what telling us. Calendar is telling us months. Okay, what, my dear students? Calendar is telling the year of month, year of weeks, and year of the days. That all things telling about the days, week, month of the year. Okay, so note down these things, dear all students, in your book. This is the calendar and it tells about the days, week, and month of the year. So note down these things, dear all, in your book. I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. Understood what I am telling you, my dear students? You have to write all things in your book, dear. Do fast. It and that sentence you have to write in your book also. It tells about the days, weeks, and months of the year. Okay, and then after we will going to do further. What, dear all? How many days in 1 year, week? Okay, that all things we are going to learn further. I hope you all are understood and I hope you all are writing, dear. Do fast and then we'll move on further. And my dear students, and further we will move on our next page. So let's check that next page is what is the day. So first of all is here is what, my dear students? First of all here is the day, then after week, then after month and year. So what is the meaning of day? So let's check here. What is the meaning of day? So my dear students, here the definition of day. Okay, so the earth spins the one time around is a 1 day. Understood? For example, just a minute all. Here for example, this is a what? Sun. Okay, and here is the earth is rotate around the further as like that. Around is 1 day. Take a time of what? The earth spins one time around is 1 day. Means a sun or earth is started from around the here to here. Means a full it's complete a one round, so it's take a whole 1 day. How much time it's take? It's time take a whole 1 day. Understood, my dear all students? So first of all, note down the what is a day. What you have to write? You have to write what is a day. The earth spins one time around is 1 day. Do fast, dear all. I hope you all are understood, my dear students. You have to do this. You have to write these all things, my dear all students. Compulsory you have to note down these all things better. And then further we will move on a next concept. Okay, then we will move on further next concept, my dear all. So now further, what is the week? First of all, we have completed days, week, month and year. So what is a week? So a week is 7 days. Okay, how many days in 1 week? In a 1 week we have a 7 days. So in my dear, all my dear students, in a 1 week we have a 7 days. So as like that we have to write one week. 1 week is equal to how many days over there, dear? In a 1 week we have 7 days. Okay, my dear, in a 1 week how many days we have? In a 1 week we have 7 days. Okay, Monday to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday and Sunday. Again I am going to repeat for you all my dear students: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Got my points, all of you? So you have to note down these things. What is a week? A week is 7 days. How many days? A week has 7 days. As per I was wrote, you have to write these things, my dear students, in your book. Do fast. And compulsory you have to note down, you have to dictate this all matters and terms. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you, you have to write this all things. And then after further we will move on Sunday. Okay, name of the 7 days. Okay, in how many days will come and name of the days here is presented. So my dear all students, first is Sunday is the first day of the week. Sunday is the first day of the week. Got my points, all dear students? Then after the Monday is the second day of the week. Tuesday is the third day of the week. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. Thursday is the fifth day of the week. Friday is the sixth day of the week. And Saturday is the seventh day of the week. Means first is Sunday, then second one is Monday, third is Tuesday, fourth is Wednesday, fifth is Thursday, sixth is Friday and seventh is Saturday. Got my points, all dear students? You have to write as like that format, my dear students. Alright, so start writing, all dear students. First of all is what you have to write. Sunday is the first day of the week. Monday is the second day of the week. Tuesday is the third day of the week. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. Thursday is the fifth day of the week. Friday is the sixth day of the week. And Saturday is the seventh day of the week. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you, you have to note down the all things in your book, dear. Do fast. That is all is a seventh day of the week. That all the seventh day of the week. Do fast, all my dear students. You have to write these all things in your book. And then further we will move on a next page, means month. How many months will come in a whole year? So there are 12 months will come in a whole year. How many, my dear all students? There are 12 months will come on a whole year. My points, all of you? So do fast. We have to move on further. And then further here is what, my dear students, what day was it yesterday? What day was yesterday? What day was it yesterday? And yesterday was which day? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, means today, for example, today is which day? Today is a Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, my dear student. So yesterday means it's past. So in past, yesterday, which day, my dear students, before Wednesday? Before Wednesday, it's a Tuesday. So in these blanks, you have to write what? You have to write that Tuesday. Start writing, my dear students. And Tuesday is what? Tuesday is the third day of the week. Tuesday is what? Third day of the week. Got my points, all dear students? Alright. So do fast all. Write there Tuesday. What day was it yesterday? Means it's Tuesday. Tuesday. So start writing, all my dear students. Tuesday. Then after we will going to check further. Okay. Further is what, my dear students? Further is here. What day is today? Today is which day, my dear all students? Today is which day? So my dear students, what day is today? Today is a Wednesday. Okay, and yesterday was a Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday. Got my points, all dear students? So note down these things. What day it's today? Today is Wednesday. Got my points, all of you? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. You have to note down these things. And then after we will move on further, all my dear students. Then after we will move on further, all my dear students. A new slide. Okay, so what day will be a tomorrow? What day will be a tomorrow? Means today is Wednesday, yesterday was Tuesday, and tomorrow will be what day? Thursday, my dear students. Understood? I hope you all are understood now, dear students. Thursday. Thur. All of you, note down these all important things in your book, dear all. I hope you all are understood. So all my dear students, what will be a tomorrow? Tomorrow will be a Thursday. Understood? Tomorrow will be a Thursday. If I am going to telling you day after tomorrow, so day after tomorrow it's Friday. Understood? Day after tomorrow is Friday, or day after tomorrow is first of all, tomorrow will be Thursday, but day after tomorrow it will be a Friday. Understood? Now further we will move on further. What day was it 2 days ago? 2 days ago means today is Wednesday. Yesterday was a Tuesday, and before yesterday a Monday. So what day was it 2 days ago means it was Monday. So what we have to write here? Monday, Monday. Note down these all things, my dear all students. Got my points, all dear? I hope you all are understood. You have to write these things in your book with me. Understood all? Do fast. And then further we will move on further, my dear students. Here we will move on where? We will move on here. What is the month? Which month is current month, my dear students? Okay, a month is about 30 days, 30 days. In some month have 31 days, and some month have 30 days. Got my points, all of you? So we have to write here as like that, 1 month is equal to 30 or 31 days. Note down these all things, my dear students. Do fast. What is the month? A month is about 30 days. So my dear students, what you have to write? You have to write as a term or as like that, my dear students. 1 month is equal to 31 days. So all my dear students, what is the month? A month in month is equal to 30 or 31 days. A month is about 30 days. Okay, then after the further concept, how many months are there in the 1 year? As per I was told you, okay, my dear students, as per I was told you, in a 1 year, how many months are there in a 1 year is equal to total, there are 12 months. 1 year is equal to, there are total 12 months. So now I am going to write here one thing. 1 year. 1 year is equal to 12 months. Understood? You have to note down these things in your book, dear all. Do fast. I hope you all are understood, dear. 1 year is equal to how many months over there? There are 12 months. Okay. Then further, what is the first month of the year? The first month, I hope you all remember the name of the whole month name. Okay, whole year month's name. So what is the first month of the year? The first month is January. First month is January. Understood? Then after the second one, some months have 13 days and some months have 31 days. In February, exceptional, February has a 28 or a 29 days. How many days, my dear all students? 20 or 28 days. Got my points, all of you? Note down these all important things in your book, my dear all students. Do fast. Some months have a 13 days. Okay, and some months have a 31 days. February has 28 or 29 days. Got my points, all of you? I hope you all are understood. So start writing, all my dear students. What is this all? This is all, my dear students. Some days means the name of the month, and it was what? It was some April, some month have a 13 days. So write down these things first. Some month have 30 days. April, June, September and November has a 13 days. Got my points, all of you? And then here is, my dear all students, then here is what? Some months have a 31 days. January, March, May, July, August, October and December. Got my points, all dear students? Do fast. And then further here is February has 28 or 29 days. You have to write these all things. Understood? And then last sentence we have to mention compulsory. February is 20 or 29 days. How many days, my dear students? 20 or 29 days. Got my points, all of you? I hope you all are understood. Do fast all. And then further, my dear students, further is what? What is a day? Okay, my dear students, how we will going to write the day? So day we will going to write as like that, my dear students. First is we have to write the date. First of all, a month, day of the month, and year. Okay, for a fourth example, today's date is what? Today's date is, my dear students, 7th April, Wednesday. So here write April 7th, 2021. Got my points? As like that. April 7th, 2021. As like that we have to write these all things, my dear students. Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Do fast. Okay, so my dear students, here we have done the concept of the time and calendar. Okay, and then further exercise we have left of revision exercise number 10. We are going to do the revision again in the next session. Understood? Thank you so much, my dear students, for watching for this video. Thank you all of you. Thank you all, my dear students.